street food challenge for 1000 rupees today. 1000 is a lot of money for street food, and I won't be able to finish all the foods for 1000 rupees. So my friend Madhurjaya,
Hi, hello.
He's
I'm back
going-
again. I'm back again.
he's back again in Assam. He's gonna help me finish this 1000 rupees by eating street foods. And this क्या नाम है? What is the name of this place?
ये आपका पान बाजार है कॉटन यूनिवर्सिटी के सामने.
Okay, Cotton University.
Area is Cotton University campus. On both sides there are departments are there, but I don't know which department are on there. But this whole area is Cotton University campus.
Okay, so this street, this whole area is Cotton University campus, and as you can see, this whole street, all the way up there, has street food stalls, different types of street foods. So we are gonna try and spend this 1000 rupees with so many kinds of street foods. Let's see how it goes. Hi, I'm doing a 1000 rupees challenge.
1000 rupees.
So today I'm going to spend 1000 rupees. We are going to try different kinds of foods. Okay.
Means every shop like tea shop or fast food.
I have 1000
You
rupees.
have only 1000 rupees.
Yeah.
I will spend all of this in this street. Okay, so what do you have?
I have only masala tea
Okay.
and this kind of laddu.
Okay.
If you can see.
Okay, it's sweet, right?
And yeah, it is sweet. And this kind of we call it pitha.
Pitha. Okay,
Yeah.
I think we can try pitha. Yeah.
Yeah.
PITH.
This one is also sweet, a little
Okay.
sweet, like with coconut.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's try the pitha and masala chai.
Fine.
Okay, the first food. Let's see how it goes. Masala chai and pitha. You want to try laddu?
Yeah, I will try.
Laddu also. Okay, give me one laddu also.
Okay.
One is enough or two?
Yeah, one enough. Eta hobo.
Let's see. I think laddu will be very sweet, right? But
It's okay,
you are
not much
already
sweet, but it will be fine.
You are already sweet.
Enough, bro, enough.
If you watch the previous video, you will understand what I'm saying. Let's see. So she's making chai. The water just get inside the pan. And then some Assam tea, Assam tea.
What's your YouTube channel?
Small ice Indian. Yeah, small ice Indian. And then sugar. What kind of milk do you put? What kind of milk do you put? Cow milk or?
This one, yes, cow milk, Purobi milk. It's,
Okay.
yeah, made from cow milk actually.
Okay. All right, let's wait for the tea.
This one, huh?
Yes, that's one. Yeah. Thank you. I got a subscriber as well. This is such a small tea stall. MJ Tea Point. Okay. So you have pictures, right?
Yeah, we have. Actually, we are not making it actually for this time.
Okay.
But this is our new shop,
Okay.
We have started like it's only been 15 days.
15 days.
Yeah.
15 days হৈছে তাৰ মানে
আমাৰ
আপোনাৰ.
15 দিন মান আৰু।
Okay, 15 days.
Only 15 days.
Okay, all right.
But
So what do you do? Like you study and work at the same time, or you are running the shop only, or?
I'm just running the shop like morning 9 to evening 7 or 8 like.
Okay. So like around like how much do you earn a day?
Don't ask this please.
She might earn a lot of money. All right, I don't want to know. Yeah, she just opened this new MJ tea shop, and it is interesting. Let's try the masala tea and let's see how it tastes. I was trying to film at that point, but I realized that I should not reveal their own secret recipe. That's how they are going to get special, I cannot reveal it. And here is one interesting, what do you call, pop-up stall here. The secret ingredients is always love. Yes, exactly. Here comes the tea and the pitha with laddu. Pitha and laddu. Okay, let's try. It's gonna be very hot. I will try the pitha first.
Yeah.
because the tea
This is one of my
might be very hot.
favorite.
Your favorite?
I always eat it.
Okay. Hmm.
এটা আমি ঘৰতে বনাব লাগে
Actually, মই ইয়াতে ডাঙৰ হৈছো ন তো মোৰ মম দেউতা
It's good.
আসামিজ কালচাৰটোৱে ফলো কৰা আমি
সেইটো
বিহু চিহু পাতো
I like it.
like it
Yeah. In Manipur, we have a harder version.
harder version
Yeah. This one is soft, but the taste is similar.
very similar no
We call that khazur or something like that.
what that
Kaju.
Yeah, khazur. Yeah. But this one is very soft. The other one is very hard.
But it's like the same kind of thing no?
Hmm?
Both are same kind of thing okay?
I think so. So you make this here or you bought it from somewhere?
no we in home no
Okay. They make this at home, bring it here and sell it. It's tasty. You want more?
No
The white laddu.
one is enough
Okay.
you have to taste it no
We have a
I
long
do
way
eat
to
it
go.
every year I eat it every year you can taste it So it's
The tea might be very hot. Let's see the tea.
how's it
It's good. The masala is good. Yeah, I like it.
ডাঙৰ কপ আছে নাই কপ লাগিব কাপ
ডাঙৰ কাপটো আছে
আছে
Yeah. And where did
40 টাকা দুটা এটা ল'ব
I was about to ask about this pot, and then this guy he is selling disposable cup.
এইটো মিডিয়াম
What a coincidence!
ওই কালি পাব
So where do you get these items? You make it home or you?
no we don't make it in home we bring it from Maligaon do you know Maligaon
Yeah, I have heard it.
yeah Kamakha
Kamakya, okay, Maligaon. Okay, so this is one-time use and throw,
yeah
yeah?
only one time
Let me try the laddu.
yeah, try this
His favorite laddu,
nice one
sweet one.
it's too sweet
Oh,
or
coconut one.
coconut yeah is that too sweet for you I think a little bit sweet no?
But a little bit sweet for me because I don't use I don't eat
you don't eat much sweet I think.
much sweet food. That's why. Go. Fine. Will you help me finish this? It's very sweet.
You can eat. You
Yeah.
can eat it.
নাই ওর কুছ
chai or
It's very sweet for me. That's why.
Tado how yeah.
Ha.
Tado how yeah.
How it? Chai is very tasty. Right. I just throw it. How much?
আপোনালোকে দুজনে মানে ইয়াতে ইয়াতে student নেকি?
68
68. Right?
it's a very big note please I don't have change
Great challenge but they don't have things for them.
You don't have change?
No.
Oh my god. How will I do this? Then,
you have to give change because I like
okay, what I'm gonna do is I will do Google Pay.
yeah you
Yeah. And then I think I can keep a record for everything I spend and then
yeah
I'll
yeah
see,
sure
And we just came to this street bites. We're gonna have YY chat. YY chat. Here it is YY chat. I have never had YY chat before, so let's see. Let's find out. So the thing is that there's a problem with change. So I paid with Google Pay and it costs the tea, the laddu and the petha. It costs 68. So I have added in my calculator. We're gonna minus it later on. So let's see how it goes. Let's wait for YY chat.
We have this much amount left. 932.
932 is left. Let's see. And this particular soap over here is called Street Bites. We're gonna have Street Bites. This is YY chat, right?
Yeah, this one is
YY chat.
50 rupees.
4 rupees 50. We decided to order only one plate because there's a long way to go and we should have some space in our stomach.
Yes.
Cheers. Sweet, sour, spicy, salty at the same time. Great. So we have been discussing. So the first stall we just got chai and what do you call pitha. They just told us that for me there is another street food area that is more better. What was that area? What was that place? The other one.
The other one, Lachit Ghat or something. Lachit Ghat.
Lachit Ghat. Okay, so we were discussing whether we should go there or not. So I think we will go there. What do you want to have next over there?
Let's see if we can have cold drink or something.
Okay, so we will. So it's already crowded over there. So we haven't reached the main hotspot of this street. So we will go there and we will decide. We will search for something which we can drink, so that we can digest this YY chaat and the petha laddu we had. And we'll go over there. They told us that that place is much better than here. Let's see. Yeah, sweet, sour, salty at the same time, right? The taste. Spicy. Yeah, the food is done. Now it's time to pay. Bear.
Change नहीं है.
Change नहीं है.
आजकल किसी के पास change नहीं है क्या? सब online.
Okay. I'm wrong. I should not have taken this money out from the ATM. Alright, it's okay. We will do Google Pay. Yeah. How much? 50. Okay. Thank you. Khana bahut acha hai.
Thank you.
First one was 68, no?
Yeah, 68 and 50.
Now
We
882.
still have 882 rupees to spend. Let's see. We came all the way from there. There are lots of stalls and they sell different kind of foods. And then we were looking out for something that is interesting, and he found out that the corn over there is interesting. So we are gonna have the corn. Corn. So,
If you get using corn, so I'm feeling bored.
भैया ये कितना का है? 58.
butter and masala butter corn. Which one you want? भैया butter corn अलग है या butter masala corn अलग?
मसाला बटर अलग है.
अलग है. You want masala one or butter one?
बटर का
Okay, butter one. 2 butter one. Butter वाला one 2. Okay, let's try the
एक
butter
कप में
one.
50 का है ना?
What do you say? One butter and one
मसाला
masala.
available, no? We can, so that we can try.
We can try both, yeah. भैया एक masala और एक butter दे दो. We will try both. Alright, I think that guy is also selling the same thing over there, but he looks more interesting than this guy. But let's see. We will try to leave this place and then we will go to that place because they suggested me to go to that place. That place is much better. And this is the college area. That is why this place is also getting famous, but that one is more famous. That is what they told me. I'm not sure. I'm new here. And then I was also searching for a place where I can have some juice or something like that, but I'm not able to see any juice shop. This one is butter corn, right? Yeah, try it and tell me.
Try. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
How is it? Is it your first time?
Yeah, it's my first time.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I can't say it's good.
You can't say it good because this is the first time you had.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you will need another time or another butter corn to compare, right?
No. I want one is enough. Good person. One is enough.
I mean in future.
No. One is enough.
Okay, let's
I
see
got
the masala one, and we will compare masala and butter. All right, here comes the masala one. We are gonna reveal the taste.
Is it good? Is it better than mine?
I haven't tried it yet.
You'll try it again, no?
Yeah. The sound. Let's wait the sound. I will say it is tasty. It has some instant punch from the masala, and then there is butter.
Okay.
So I will try the butter one. For sure, butter taste. I think he put some less butter here.
Did he?
Yeah.
Should I ask for more butter than from him?
I don't think so.
I don't think he'll give, no?
I'm not able to pick up the butter taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, you try this one.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay, let me try.
No, try it. I'll film.
I thought I will take the whole cup. I think this one is better.
Because it has the masala.
Yeah. I will say this one is better.
Okay. Yeah, this one is better. This one is for simple people. You're not simple. Here comes the time of payment. Let's see if this guy has changed or not. Okay. ये तीसरी बार है मैंने ट्राई किया खुला मिलने के लिए नहीं मिल रहा नहीं है
हम लोग का
नहीं है
4 दुकान हो गया अभी हम लोग खुला
Okay, I will do online again.
Bro, let's forget about paying cash.
But I will try. This is also one of the challenge.
I don't think it will be possible today.
All right. कितना? 100. Offer.
But
We still have 782 rupees left.
so
Okay. Let's go and drink something over here, and then let's go to that place. Yeah, it's very challenging to get change over here. People mostly prefer the online payment. Yeah, I also does. When I came on the way, I was thinking that they will ask for cash. That is why I took out the cash from the ATM. But yeah, I should have relied on online payment over here. And as you can see, I can. Oh, there is one soda drink over here. Madhur, yeah. There is one soda drink over here. You wanna try that?
which one?
Soda. Yeah, let's.
Bro, your eyes, man. I like it. You have good eyes, bro.
So we are gonna try this soda. I have good eyes because I have spec, you know. Hello भैया, कैसे हो?
ये कितना है प्राइस?
कौन सा पीना है आपको?
सब 20 का है.
Fruit beer दे दो, fruit beer. I miss fruit beer. When I was in
But it's not
Gujarat.
actually beer, I think.
Yeah, I know. When I was in Gujarat, I used to drink fruit beer a lot because it is not actually the beer you are thinking about. It's a fruit beer, no alcohol. It's just a drink. Let's see. And the other one is pudina. Interesting. I will also try pudina a little bit.
But from mine you can.
Yeah, you can. I mean, I will take it from you. All right. Interesting glass. I miss this, man. I used to drink a lot when I was in Gujarat. How is it? Good. Good.
I always like pudina.
Okay. You wanna try this? No.
Let me try some.
Okay.
Let me
I will
drink
try.
some.
I will try a bit of what you are drinking because
Take out your pipe too.
this is going to be the first time.
Salty or what?
Sweet, sour, and salty at the same time. You wanna try? This one is just sweet, and you will get some smell of beer.
It does have smell of beer.
Okay, भैया, here comes the challenge. कितना हुआ भैया? 40.
किसी के पास भी नहीं है.
किसी के पास भी नहीं है.
में गए हैं.
Challenge है ये. Oh my God, he is helping me to get change. Let's see. It's getting very difficult to get change over here. so he's asking to someone else. He might or might not get. Let's see the situation. Oh my god, he went to other person again. Let's see. It's tasty.
Which one?
Yeah.
Mine or yours?
Mine, because I like it. So
Mine is tasty.
his setup is very interesting. He got this auto rickshaw, and then yeah, he has all this soda setup over here, CO2, and there is a battery for running all the lights. And this is just the front of an auto rickshaw. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, it's only ₹20. Oh, it's cheap. I got it. Okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, all right. Thank you, Bia. We have 742 rupees to spend. Let's go over to that place, and let's see what we can get over there. All right, see you there. I have no idea. There is a festival going on here, and we have no idea what festival it is. Okay, Brahmaputra Carnival. There's a festival going on. Yeah. Brahmaputra Carnival from 15 December to 15 March. Oh my god, it's a long time. And we got lucky. We had no idea before we came here. So this is the festival going on, and there are some food stall over there at the, what do you say?
It will go on for 4 months, December
to March. Yeah, it will go on for 4 months. Let's go and let's see. Excuse me. Hey, do dijiye, हाँ.
কিমান বাইদেউ এইটো
1.2
এটা 120 ন ঠিক আছে হ'ব
मतलब
टू
टू मतलब वन में टू है ना.
ठीक है
One strip. Okay, interesting. So this one strip has how many? Three prawns. Okay. This one strip has 3 prawns, and then these are, I mean, after she fried it, she will look like KFC for sure. Interesting. Okay, she will fry it over there. Let's see. So Brahmaputra Carnival, I think this will go for 4 months.
Yeah.
Do you know about this earlier, or you just came to know today?
Actually came to know about just now.
Just now. Oh my god. He's from Guwahati.
Don't blame me.
Because he's busy in working, working very hard. Let's see, they have Maggie as well. I think this will be the momo. You wanna have leg piece?
No. I only want to have prawn now.
Prawn now. Okay, let's see.
Thank you, bye.
This is how it comes. Okay, some sauce, some masala. How will we eat?
It's very hot.
It's very hot. This is going to be my first time having this prawn. I don't know how to eat. Is it very hot?
It's hot, but it's tasty.
Very hot. I'm afraid to try. Might be very hot. It's very warm,
Take one whole bite.
Can I? Will I be able to have this in one go?
You try it. You try it. Don't worry.
Oh. Oh. It's very tasty. This is my first time having prawn like this. It's very tasty. Let's try and have this head. Very crunchy. 130. You have it. Okay. Let's pay and let's head out to other part. How much?
No. What is prawn called in Assamese?
Excuse me, sister. What do you call this in Assamese? Assamese में क्या कैसे निस निसा मिसामास मिसामास
More confusing.
নিছলামাছ তো গাঁৱলীয়া ভাষাত কয় গাঁৱলীয়া একদম
proper to
মিছা মাছ
misamas. Okay, misamas.
মাছ
Okay.
But if it means like in village area, no? Misamas, it's called misamas.
और गाँवलीयात निचला माছ
और निचला मास एक गाँव
गाँव
विलेज
में बोलते हैं और शहरों में यहाँ पर असम में मिसामास बोलते हैं
मिसामास. Okay, thank you. How much? कितना हुआ? 120. Alright, 120. पानी बोतल हाँ 130. Okay. Thank you. বাইদেউ আৰু আগত কি আছে ন বহুত এফালে কি আছে? Alright. Let's go and let's hunt for more food. Okay. So we are going to try some barbecue. Which part do you want? Leg piece, wings, breast. Which part do you want?
I will take breast.
Breast. One दे दो एक.
कितना है भाई?
90 rupees. हाँ ठीक है. So 742 minus 120 for the prawns, and then minus 10 for the water bottle, and now we have 612 rupees to spend, and we are going to have some chicken barbecue. All right, let's do it. This is how we are going to have barbecue chicken. All right, here comes the chicken barbecue. Okay, there is a music situation going on there. Let's hope it doesn't come near the camera, because I will get copyrights. Let's
You
see.
will get copyright issue, no?
Yeah. That's why. Try it. You try it first.
5 to 3 to plate दो
Is it very hot?
Yeah, no, not hot.
Okay.
It's not very hot. It's
আগরে তো আছিল
How will it taste good? Okay, let me try. Okay,
एक काटा
with some mayonnaise, and here we go. It's nice. अच्छा है. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, there is one spicy chutney also, and she put some lettuce as well. The spicy chutney is also good. Wow, I will say wow. It's very tasty. 90 rupees, right? Okay. So 90 minus from 612, that is 522. All right. Thank you so much. It's very tasty. Yeah. Let's go and let's find some more food. Okay, let's try some momos. What is that after breakup?
this one.
That one, that's off after breakup. It says after breakup, man. Okay, all right, momos. Okay, after breakup means we can get chai from here. Okay, auntie, 1 plate chicken momo. 1 plate. Let's try the chicken momo. Fresh and hot. Momo. Oh, thank you. Okay, where should we have? Okay, you found it.
No, I have some internet issues, so I have
Okay, yeah. Small Ice Indian. Please subscribe.
Oh yeah, sure.
Small Ice Indian.
Indian, yeah.
Indian.
Small ice means that size?
Yeah, this ice. I got a new subscriber. Let's celebrate with momos.
Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you. All right.
By the way, how the fork?
One more fork, auntie. Please, father.
Chicken momo.
What do you guys talk about? What are you saying to you?
He is asking about the channel, name of the channel. Yeah, that's it. So I explained the meaning behind my channel. Small Ice Indian. You know, we humans have small eyes, but you know, I want to see the world because the world is big. That's why I put my the name of my channel as a Small Ice Indian, because I want to see the big world with my small eyes. That is what I explained to him. Is it very hot?
Moderately hot, not that hot, but kind of hot only.
How do you like it?
Almost, I don't know. Good only. I've had better momos than this.
Okay. So, do you remember I had momos in Lightroom?
Yeah. I do remember. But I don't have
momos
forgotten the
after
taste.
right after I'm having momos after that. So I'm not a fan of momos.
That's like October, November. After 2 months, you're having momos.
Yeah. October, November. Okay, 3-4 months.
Not even Manipur.
No. I usually don't eat momos because
No. It's like I know you don't eat momos, but you don't like it, or you don't want to like.
it's not like I don't like it, but I don't think about momos. All right, let's eat before it falls down. Oh, how hot, man. Oh. How. Oh. I'm afraid.
Good.
Momo soup. It's very hot. I'm afraid to drink this. See how much steam coming out from this cup of momo soup. Should I try?
I haven't tasted it yet, but it's so hot, man.
Oh my god, let's see. Oh my god, we're gonna have chicken also. I'm afraid it will hurt my tongue.
Just sip a little.
It's very hot, man. I will let it cool down for a bit. Yeah, 1 plate. 1 plate chicken momos. Huh? 50. Thank you. All right. Hello, there. 50 rupees gone. So how much do we still have? 522 minus 50, that is 472 rupees. We still have 472 rupees. Let's go and find something to eat. After breakup. भैया यहाँ पे आफ्टर ब्रेकअप के बाद ही आना है क्या? चलो ठीक है, 2 glass चाय. It's interesting like how he is making chai. It's is the first time I'm seeing making chai over here in this type of container. Let's have some chai.
Cooler chai.
Kulat chai.
Yes.
Alright. Kulat chai. Kulat chai. So we are having kulat chai in the after breakup restaurant here. तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है, मतलब क्यों रखा हुआ है आफ्टर ब्रेकअप?
मीनिंग ऐसे तो मेरा नहीं है वो ये दुकान,
अच्छा।
मेरा भैया का है।
हाँ।
उसने रखा है।
अच्छा, मतलब क्यों, पता है आपको?
पता तो है लेकिन
कह नहीं सकता।
थोड़ा लॉन्ग स्टोरी है।
लॉन्ग स्टोरी है।
दुकानी बना होगा आफ्टर ब्रेकअप। दुकानी हुआ होगा आफ्टर ब्रेकअप।
शायद। इंटरेस्टिंग।
थैंक यू। हमारा दूसरा स्टॉप भी ले
आगे कहाँ पे?
दूसरा स्टॉप में देख लीजिए आराम से, वो 3-4 दुकान छोड़ के ही है लेफ्ट साइड में।
ये सेम चाय दुकान?
नहीं सेम साइड दुकान नहीं, वहाँ पे आपका कॉर्न डॉग, कोरियन नूडल्स,
ओके ओके
ये सब
ओके
मिलता है। कोरियन,
Okay.
वो बेसिकली कोरियन फूड है।
Okay, let's try the Korean food after this breakup chai. Alright, how is the chai?
It's good, it's good.
Good. Alright, let's do it in front of the light. Oh my god. It's good. It's little thick, right? Thick. Yeah. The tea is little thick as compared to the first chai we had. Yeah, nice. This will go here like that. Chai बहुत अच्छा है भैया.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, because of this milk, chai is little thick.
Yes.
I like it. कितना हो गया?
आपका 60 हुआ है?
60 हुआ.
Yes.
All right, 50 and okay, I have 70. 10 rupees cents. Okay.
सेंस तो नहीं है अभी, ऑनलाइन कर दीजिए आप हो सके तो।
Online. I will do 10 rupees online. Is that okay?
ओके ओके
Okay.
कोई बात नहीं।
So change is a little problem since the beginning of this video. All right. Where Google? Okay.
ये आपका स्कैनर।
I will scan over there.
कितना से लेता? 30।
Okay, भैया.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
All right. Rupees 60 down. So minus 60. We still have 412 rupees to go. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's see what we eat. I just met a guy from Kolkata. My actual plan is to finish this trip in Kolkata. So yeah, luckily I found one guy from Kolkata. He invited me. So we are gonna explore Kolkata again over there. All right. What next?
I don't know, man.
I think we can go for the chicken barbecue again and then finish with the prawn. Is that okay, or maybe prawn first and then chicken barbecue?
We'll try again chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue first. Okay. Let's have chicken barbecue again. But there is a music situation. Let's go to prawn first.
Bro, copyright issues has come up.
Yeah, I have to run away because I don't want to ruin the video with the copyright. All right, going back to the prawn station. All right, the prawn just go inside the frying process.
I'm torturing my stomach.
He is torturing his stomach. My stomach is also full, but let's try and finish this 1000 rupees. We still have how much? 412 rupees. So it's difficult to clear this part.
Let me do it with my own hand.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. again with the brown. Very crispy. Tricky situation, but we'll see. Yes, she has stains. Got it. So 130, right, with the water bottle again. So how much do we still have? 412 minus 130 equal to. We still have 282 rupees. We'll go for a drink, some juice, and let's see. We still got money for the chicken barbecue. Let's find out. I just found out there is one juice shop, so we will drink some juice from here. Mango juice, orange juice, blue lagoon, green apple, kiwi. Which one do you want? We will drink juice. Yeah. Which one will be better? Lemon juice or
পুদিনা হ'ব নেকি? মই পুদিনা খাম।
আমি মজতো লব পাৰে পুদিনা ফ্লেভাৰৰ হয়।
মই পুদিনা ফ্লেভাৰ লম।
কেইটা দিম?
পুদিনা again. I will drink पुदीना।
पुदीना again?
What will you drink?
ग्रीन एप्पल भी ले सकते हैं आप।
I will drink this one, mojito.
এটা
Yeah,
mojito
mojito.
আৰু এটা মোৰ পুদিনা হ'ব।
ऐसे मुझे मोहितो जी दूध।
Mojito में पुदीना है, अंदर पुदीना है।
মই কনফিউজ হৈ গ'ল।
Alright, we will drink mojito. She has a strawberry shake as well, mango shake, chocolate shake, coffee boba, 200. Oh my god, this is interesting. There ये क्या है? Pakora, vegetable. You want to have vegetable pakora?
No bro, I don't have any space left in my stomach.
Oh, we still have.
I don't
to
have
have
any
this
space left.
that one, chicken barbecue.
I have space for that but not for this.
Okay. Then let's see.
He came again.
He came again. Let's do something. पकौड़ा खाना है आपको? पकौड़ा खाओगे आप? ये कितने का है भैया?
चिकन चाप 30 रुपीस का।
30 रुपीस का एक दे दो। Let's give him. It will help us.
At least he will be happy.
Okay.
चिकन चाप पूछो।
हाँ 30 रुपीस भी है। मिर्ची
हाँ थोड़ा डालती हूँ फ्लेवर भी।
फ्लेवर के लिए।
हाँ।
Okay, mirchi also goes inside this mojito. This is my first time experience. Mojito with some green chili. Let's see, let's find out.
सर यूट्यूब चैनल का नाम क्या है?
हाँ?
चैनल का नाम क्या है?
Small Ice Indian.
स्मॉल आइस इंडियन।
Yes. Please subscribe.
How many subscribers do you have?
Around 3.9. About to reach 4K.
What name is it?
Small Ice Indian. The Sprite goes inside mojito.
Small ice
स्प्राइट
Indian.
सोडा सोडा भी डाला।
इंडियन। This one?
Alright. Then stir it a little bit. Okay. From Assam. I'm from Manipur. Yeah. Manipur से आया. Alright, this is the mojito. I forgot the name a little while.
I'm showing your channel to him.
Okay, I got a lot of subscribers from Assam. अच्छा है, सही है. Alright, this will help me digest some of the food. मैं हम दोनों एक चैलेंज कर रहा हूँ आज, हाँ फूड का 1000 रुपीज़ स्पेंड करना है फूड में. अभी still
এতিয়া আৰু কিমান
282 बाकी left है.
এটা আপোনাৰ কিমান এইটো 50 50 ন
100.
এতিয়া 100 হ'ল আৰু 180 বাকী 180 বাকী আছে 180 খাব লাগিব পেটত জেগাই নাই पेट में जगह नहीं है बोला
पेट में जगह नहीं है. This will अभी 282 बाकी है तो यहाँ से 100 चला माइनस करके 182 बाकी है. This will help you digest a little bit.
digest and create more space na for feeding
Thank you. Yeah. I like the juice.
Thank you.
Okay. 100 gone and so 282 minus 100. 182 rupees is left. We're gonna go back to that chicken barbecue station and we'll end the video over there. Let's hope we could finish all the chicken barbecue.
I'm getting
Let's
food
see.
coma.
Okay. Hey, Maruja, you want fried chicken or chicken barbecue? Let's take chicken barbecue.
Chicken barbecue again.
Okay. 2 plates. Thank you. Done.
ले लो
Okay. Maruja. Okay, 180 rupees gone. Thank you. I have to run from the music situation. Here's also music. Where should we eat?
Near my scooty, I guess.
Okay, I think we can go near his scooty and eat. Let's hope I don't get any copyright. I think we can eat here.
Yeah.
Okay. The light is also good, I think. Alright, this is the end of the challenge. We still have 2 rupees. So spending 2 rupees will be more difficult.
We still have 2 rupees. See, we can spend 1,000, but we can't spend 2 rupees.
How will we spend 2 rupees?
I don't know, bro. Let me think. Till then I have to eat this.
Okay, think. I will also think. I will have this chicken barbecue and then I will think. Let's see. So 182 minus 90 for 1 plate, 90 for the other plate, and there is still 2 rupees left. I think I will end the challenge here. It will be difficult for me to spend 2 rupees. I'm not sure how I will spend 2 rupees. Nothing came up. Yeah. Finally, the challenge has done. We got our stomach full. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And yeah, I forgot. Thank you, bro.
Anytime, bro. Anytime. You're welcome.
How was all the food?
Huh?
How was all the food?
It was awesome.
Awesome.
Yes. I can't say the word.
Alright, we will end the video here and then see you in the next video. Bye bye.